In this Rocket Videos review, I am unpacking a tool that helps you turn simple ideas into short promo videos without needing editing skills or expensive software. Here are 4 features that stood out to me. Drag and drop video templates so you do not start from zero built. In stock footage, music, and transitions included ability to export in multiple formats. For social web ads, commercial license included so you can use the videos for clients or monetize. Projects Faye, the link is in the description below if you want to check it out yourself. Stick around. I will show you a demo video so you can see how Rocket Videos works. Then I will share my honest feedback and which use cases might be worth it.
Hey there, and welcome to this demo of Rocket Videos. Now, Rocket Videos allows you to create videos from text. So right now you can see these videos, for example, have been created by users. You can open these videos under a heavy, and it will show the videos for you. So here you can see these are really moving videos, and this will be rendered from images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works. At the left side, you have your projects folder in here where you can see all the videos that you have created. And at the home screen, you can see videos that have been created by other users. Now to get started, you click on Create AI Video. And from here, you can describe your story. So it asks you to create a video about. So let's say a boy who could fly. You can come up with any kind of video that you want to create. And then here we can choose the language. So many languages are supported, as you can see. You simply select the language that you want a script to write. In the story part, you can decide what kind of video you'd like to create. So this could be a story, this could be an explainer video, a pitch video, a realty video, promo, tutorial. In this case, I like to go with the story. And I also like to include characters. So if you do not want to have characters, you simply deselect this. And at the right side here, when you click on this magnifying glass, you can set the style preset. So what kind of style video would you like to create? So in this case, I like to create a cartoon video. And now I'm going to click on Generate. And Rocket Videos will create an outline of the story for you that you can modify. So as you can see here, this is the outline of the story where you can make modifications if you like. So this is the whole outline. If you want to make changes, you simply click on this pencil. And that means that you can type anything you like here. In this case, I'm going to keep it the way it is, just for example purpose. And here you can also see the characters. So when you want to change a character, or you want to add a character, you can do that as well here at the right top. Well, let's say you want to change an existing character like Emma. You click on the pencil here, and here you can describe what kind of character you want to see. So I like to have long hair for her. So now it says curly hair, bright smile. But let's say we want to do curly long hair. And now you can see that we need to save this in order to make our changes. So we're going to click on Save and Regenerate Image. And now it will create a new character for us based on how we set this up. So as you can see, now she has long hair with curls. Now on the left side, you can see the other settings that we already set before, like the story, the video type here, also the style preset. We set that here to cartoon. But if you like, you can also change the orientation. You can do this later, by the way, as well. But you can set this to square video or portrait video. But let's go with a landscape video. And also you can enter special instructions. For example, you can say if you do not want to have on-screen dialogues, you can do it like this. Do not include dialogues for on-screen characters. Or maybe you want to have female narration here. Or you want to have something specific. Then you can add the instructions in here so that this will be used in the script. So let's save this. And then on the next page, it will create the whole storyboard for you. So as you can see here, the storyboard is opening and it's going to create the videos for us. Basically, it starts with images, but you can create videos from these images. I'm going to show you that in a second how that works. But you can see here the videos are being rendered. Here's the boy that can fly. You can see his wings here. The story unfolds here when we scroll down, and this is the whole story. As you can see in here, the boy is really flying, and it ends here at the end of the video. Now, each part here is a scene. So this is the dreamy swing. That's the first scene of the outline. This is the second scene here, the cliff edge, as you can see. And you can modify each scene. So there are now two scenes inside of one scene, as you can see here. And if you want to make changes, you can do that on the fly. So this is the first image. And here you can see the prompt of the image is Daniel sits on the swing, his eyes fixed on the sky, lost in thoughts of flight. Now, let's say you want to re-render this image, or you're not happy with the results. Sometimes AI creates images that are not exactly the way you like to have them. Then you can change this prompt in here. So you can say he stands, for example, stands on the swing. And then also here, the location, when you click on location, you can see that this is in Daniel's backyard, soft natural daylight and clear and sunny. But you can also say it's on a rainy day. And this is just for example purpose. And you can also say here, the shot is a close-up, but you can also say, for example, I want to have a medium shot or a wide shot, or maybe from above. But let's go with a medium shot here. And then what you can do is you can click on regenerate media, and this will regenerate a new image for you. As you can see, now he's standing on the swing. Now we can do more. When you want to edit this media, so for example, let's say I'm very happy with this image, but when I click on edit media, I can see there is also here another swing, which I don't want to have on this image, this part of the video. Specifically for this, we have created generated fill. So when I click on generated fill, I can do a few things. I can do in paint. That means that I can add elements to this picture. And I can also erase parts. So when I click on the erase part here, I can select this part of the video. I can also make my brush bigger. So I can say, okay, this is my brush, and I'm gonna delete the parts in here. You see that? So now I'm selecting this part of the image, and I'm going to click on generate, and that will remove this part of the video or the image, just how you want to mention it. And as you can see right now, we have modified the image. And at the right side of the screen here, you can also see the other images, the previous images. So this was the first image, this was the second, and this was the third image. And we can also add elements to this picture. So let's say we want to add something in here, then we can say in paint, and we can say here, let's in paint this, and it's white, so it's a little bit hard to see. Let's make this brush big, and I'm going to brush here. You can see when I'm over the green here, you can see that. Let's make this big like this. Then I can enter a prompt in here. So I can say a yellow sun. Yellow bright sun. And I'm going to click on generate. And there you go. Well, in this case, it didn't work out really well. Maybe that's because I didn't select everything. And this is a kind of a hard one to see with my brush. But yeah, that's how it works. You can basically add anything. So anyway, you will be able to add elements to your picture. I'm going to show it into another example of that in another picture with a better background. So this is the part where you can edit media. Now, what you also can do here when we scroll down here, let's say we are happy with a current image, and let me show a good example here. And maybe this is a good example. Let's say we want to create a video out of this image. Then what you can do here is you can click on generate video, and what that will do is it will take the current image and generate a video of that image. Now that's going to take a little time to process. So the video is ready now. So when I click on play here, look at this. It created a video from an image. Now you can see here, sometimes it messes up the image. Then what you can do is you can regenerate the image again. So you can regenerate the video again, and it's going to give it another try. And there you go, the video is ready. And when I click on play, you can see that the image has become a video now. So as you can see, it generates a video from an existing image here. Very cool, isn't it? So sometimes it messes up, and if it does that, you simply click on regenerate video and it will redo the video, creating another video for you. You can always go back here to edit media, where you can see the previous models that you have rendered inside of Rocket Videos.